In this awesomely wrapped package, we have a dead stock Mickey T in a double XL size, white tag, triple wrapped, as well as an extra t-shirt that I have no idea what's in here, but we're gonna find out together. I like this view. You can see me opening it. It's goodbye. Yep, like they promised, triple wrapped. So first we got the first one. And now we got number 2. Oh shit. Technical difficulties. We're having some lighting issues, no worries. It's just that freaking, it's that hot. It's that cool. Okay, now we got number 2. Love it. Love to see it. Triple freaking wrap. No one does it. That's number 2. All right, this should be supposedly the last one. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, it's wrapped in another bag. But this one we can actually see it though. And I see another black t-shirt. First, we're gonna look at the free tee. No way! They got me a the Juice WRLD tee, bro. No way they just gave that to me. No way, is it double XL too? Bro, that is sick. I'm gonna be tripping. Is this double XL? And it's double XL, dude. They're getting the best 5-star review ever. So this right here is the Juice WRLD tee. This came along with the sketch tee and some other hoodie. But yeah, this is basically the Juice WRLD tee. Like, this is the Juice tee. This is like amazing. It's direct to garment, it looks like. Maybe screen print. But anyways, that is awesome. I can't believe they gave me that. It was a revenge shirt. And here we go, ladies and gentlemen. What I really came here for. Yeah, it stopped on accident, but check it out, ladies and gentlemen. In a awesome bag. Look at this bag. Quit playing with you guys. And finally, making contact with the product. Wow. There she is. There she is. Oh my god, brand new. Yep. Dang, you can actually see how like black it is. Like, you can see it like reflect off it. And dead stock, double XL. It's got the OG sticker. And then the tag, of course. Let's check out the back. We had to check it out. Oh, the adhesive though, that's where, okay, so it's partly coming off right here, completely sealed, all the way to right there. Wow, it's a true dead stock. I'm freaking happy. Got this bad boy for $160. Let's see if you can actually see it. So supposedly with these new ones, you're able to, yeah, you can. It's, I believe heat transfer. They heat transfer this. So that's why it's a little bit risen by the toes. By his feet, you can see like, it's kind of like puffing away. But there it is, the freaking double XL Mickey tee, along with the double XL Juice WRLD photo tee. That is all, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you.